everyone, welcome to the AMX Superstore's Product Insight. I'm Riana Crehan and I'm joined by our brand manager from RP Filters, Duncan Hale. Duncan, just tell me a little bit about RP Filters as a brand.
Okay, so RP Filters is an Australian brand. They've been manufacturing oil filters for 30 plus years and they've started the RP brand in 2011.
So just tell me about the RP filters and the details that set it aside from other brands.
Okay, so we offer two filters in the range. There's your traditional cartridge filter, which is this fella here, which goes inside the engine case on your motorcycle. And then we have the spin-on filter. Now the really cool feature with the RP spin-on filters is the 17mm nut that's on the bottom, which means there's no need to have a special tool, just any 17mm spanner will fit straight on. It also is pre-drilled for a safety wire.
It's a trusted brand, many people would recognise the name. What else do you want to share about RP filters?
So yeah, they do a complete offer, basically every motorcycle made. They have a filter, be an Australian-based company as well. If they're very quick to react to new models. So there's currently a new BMW that's just come out. They've already got a filter for that bike.
And in terms of compatibility with other brands?
If you're using a competitor's brand filter, we have a quick reference here so you can quickly establish what filter you need in the RP range.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you very much, Duncan. If you'd like any more information on RP filters, head to your nearest AMX Superstore. Or of course, the information is there for you on the website.